another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And you can tell, right? I'm hyped to do this one right here, man. This video is on the, I was about to say Jordan 1. It's on the Nike Dunk High Lakers. I think that's really the official name for it because when Soul Links and J23 tweeted out, it says Lakers. It screams Lakers. It looked like Magic Johnson running down the court in these, man. I've been waiting on a dunk high or dunk low of any sort Lakers, man. I mean, I got close with a Jordan 1 a couple years ago, but I cannot wear these too much because if you know, the more you wear them, the more the red starts to seek in. These are the Jordan 1 LA to Chicago SB joints. Yeah, it was an SB. And I've been trying to keep it purple and yellow, but you can see the more you wear it, the more that red and black starts to bleed in. But finally, we got an official Lakers Jordan. Official Lakers Nike Dunk. It's a high, but I'm cool with it, man. A couple of months ago when Nike started letting us do the Nike Dunk by You, I kind of dabbled in. It was around the same time Kobe died. I tried to get like a Lakers silhouette. Tell me what y'all think, man. I got the New Buck suede all the way around. The purple in the inside, yellow swoosh. Nike logo on the back, purple. Purple shoelaces. See, Nike by You. I tried to do it, man, but again, we got it officially. So without further ado, hit the B-roll. Yeah, this is wild, man. I gotta rate which one I think is best, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. This is clean. Let's hit the unboxing. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So just like my last couple of videos, the Nike Dunk black and white, the red and white championship Nike Dunk highs, this got the same box. Dark red, or dark orange or light red. I can never diminish that color. The code reads Nike Dunk High Retro Court Purple, Court Purple. So I guess the official name is Court Purple. We're calling them Lakers because it's obvious. It's Lakers. Let's start with the right shoe. The leather. I've seen better leather, but this is good leather, guys. You can see the little cracks and the wrinkles in the leather. That technically usually means it's good leather. And it's plush. Look, see the push in it? Plush leather. Toe box, nice gold, yellow, lacered yellow. Also has the bounce back to it. Come around, the yellow inside with the purple swoosh. I think if it was reverse, yellow swoosh, purple inside, I may not like it as much as I like it, but I think they did the color blocking perfect this way. Y'all let me know. Again, this is like my third time seeing this, how the shoelaces is really making this kind of connect. I always thought this just always connected, but it's the shoelaces that's connecting this. So the shoelaces is connecting that part to the sneaker. You see the yellow stitching bleeding into the purple. It's a perfect sneaker to me, man. The back pull tab is purple, blending in with yellow. And that's kind of the theme all the way around the sneaker. Yellow, purple, yellow, purple. And the shoelaces are like more of my hoodie than the sneaker itself. It gives that more gold yellow look, as you can see. And thick shoelaces, regular Nike Dunk High laces. Mesh tongue, purple on the tongue, Nike logo, mesh yellow gold tongue. The inside has the yellow Nike swoosh logo, as the red and white championship joints and the black and white joints had the orange Nike in the swoosh. And the color code, it said orange. And I was like, where's orange at? This one kept it OG with Lakers, and you got your yellow on the inside with your purple insole. Bottom is also purple too. I like it, man. I like it. Purple, if you've seen one Jordan 1 bottom, Uptown, Nike Dunk, you've seen them all. This one is in that nice purple. The left side is here and everything is the same, even the inside. All adds up. Yeah, man, I finally got my hands on a yellow and purple Dunk High. I'm hyped, guys. Finish line, JD Sports, and I want to say Snipes, but also the Nike app, not the sneakers app, the Nike app. They're getting them. Dunk restocks are happening over and over. Sizing might be the problem, but getting your hands on these won't be that bad. I think they was $130 shipped, tax, all that stuff. Perfect sneaker. I looked on StockX. Prices are like $140, $150, $10, $15 over retail. But this is one of those dope ones you need in your collection, especially if you're a Laker fan, man, or the Minnesota Vikings. I'm a Cowboy fan, but Lakers, yes. R.I.P. Cole. I can't wait to do the how to style of this one, guys. I can't lie to y'all, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.